In today's video, what I'm going to do is recreate one of the setups that we had in the trading room today. And actually it's okay that it's a little bit late because there's still room for it to trigger an entry, and there's still some upside potential if the zones hold up. So I'm going to start by running the symmetry by taking the prior declines within the uptrend and projecting from the more recent high. Let's see, we have a couple of those swings that we can run. And I'm also going to run a swing within the swing. Okay, so there's where the potential support via the symmetry comes in. I'm also going to see if there are any overlapping retracements of prior swings. So I'm going to measure the low to the highest high, and then some of these other swings also, though, to the highest high. All right. And then, we're seeing a clustering of price relationships here around that symmetry. And then what else? We can look at an extension of a prior swing and see if that might overlap. So then we have this low to this high extended. That overlaps beautifully. And believe it or not, there's another micro extension if you measure, I believe. Let's check it. This low to this high. Yeah, there's another, 1272 extension, or the 1618 of the smaller swing also overlaps this zone. But we have enough information with a price cluster of support between 87.78 to 88.28. Okay, so that's the potential support, which also defines your risk if you do take a trade against this area. So basically we look for triggers that tell us that it's worth placing a bet. If you don't understand triggers, there are free documents on my website, especially in the Start Here section that you can check out. Know that this defines my risk on the trade. If I do see a buy signal, my stop can be placed underneath that zone. And then the potential upside target, if this low is any good, is going to be the 1272 extension of the swing into the zone, which is the 94.48 area. And I will consider myself wrong on this setup if we break underneath this zone.